Hello everyone, welcome to Joseph IT, your technology entertainer. Suppose you have so many Word files in your folder, you forgot the name of that particular file, but you badly need that file. So today I will show you a simple trick to get that file back easily. As you can see in a folder of mine, there are so many Word files, but those are named as file 1, 2 and 6. Okay, I just don't know in which file I have kept the writings, but I can only remember that the file that I need now had video writing in it. Okay, video. So normally if I search for video and click on the arrow, then it will show me nothing. Okay, no items match your search. Okay, generally it shows like that. Now what I have to do, I just have to enable a simple option from start, and that is go to start and type folder options and go there. At the right side click on search, and at the bottom click on always search, then file names and contents, apply and OK. Now simply type the word that you can remember. So as I said, I can remember video and clicking on the arrow. Okay, as you can see that the file name is file 1, but as far as I'm concerned, it has the writing video in it, and it is showing me that. Opening it. Oh yes, as you can see, this was the file that I was looking for, and without opening all the files that I had, I'm just getting it within some simple tricks. And if I search for video, the writing videos is there. Okay, and that was a simple way of finding files from the writings, from the content in it easily with a simple trick of Windows 10. And I hope you really found this useful and learned something new in it. If you really did so, then please don't forget to like the video, share your experience, your suggestions, and subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT. We always try to upload quality and working video tutorials for you all. Hope you will inspire us and be with Joseph IT. Goodbye.